Welcome back to Kian the Gamer. Today we are preparing for Ender Dragon fight. I know I've not come from long because something wrong was there. The Ender thing was there and Ender like my enchantments, my full game went like Minecraft was not opening, so like after many days then now it started 15-20 minutes back. It started, then I started many 5 times more. It started fully, so then I'm okay, come on, let me make the video. So this is not the end of Minecraft because preparing for Ender Dragon fight, then fighting with Ender Dragon, because I think we are going to die one time, I guess. I don't know. We'll try not to die, but Ender Dragon is very difficult in survival. I know. I've defeated Ender Dragon 2 times in creative, but not in survival. So this is my first time I'm going to go and defeat him in survival. Guys, I don't know, something is wrong. So sometimes, you know what happens, this game has become a little lag, so it can see this is the Herobrine thing. It's a Herobrine. I know it looks like a egg of that, what do we call it, Invoker, but it is actually Herobrine's egg. I had gone very far and I saw Herobrine statue, and then in one book it was written, Herobrine, take this egg and get lost. It was written that. Then I like, fine. When I went and took it, and when I was coming home, I saw. Then I again went over there to see something. It was blasted fully. Only there was a plain flat. It wasn't a desert. Okay. So I was telling that, was that a trick shot, and from the hole it came and killed that zombie. So I am going to also do like, it can like, when my video is going on, then I'll do a little of the stuffs, okay, like I'm killing the zombie, and then I'll pause it, and then I'll show that 2-3 zombies were there, and then I pause the video and I start again from there, and I'll see that these 3 zombies are dead. So I didn't show you that. Like that I'm going to do because I want this video to be short. My mother is not allowing. Yes, okay. Sorry guys, I have to do. All I would have shown you the full Ender Dragon fight. But why am I doing Ender Dragon? Okay. So in this video, are we going to just only fight with skeletons, zombies and creepers and all, and spiders also. They also live in these kind of people. Oh, he bit me. That's why hunger came. Yeah, like if they bite us, then only hunger comes, right? This trident's name is Never Leave, means it never leaves me. Oh, I want some food. I want to eat some food. I'm very hungry. Real also, I'm very hungry. So I will just go and bring some food for me. So let's go. I'm allowed to go down to play, but I don't want to go because there's something wrong in the building. But I can go to my friend's house, Arav, y'all know. I can go to his house, but I don't really want to go to his house. There's some biscuit. It's very bad. It has become really bad. So we'll meet my grandmother. Say hello.
Hello.
She had come with a video with us, na? Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I got a biscuit. It's a cream biscuit. It's okay. It's going to be a 12-minute video. So I'm just wasting my time in killing these zombies and all. Okay. I'm in my hall. Lie downing. I lie down to now. I'm doing the video. I hate living in the house for many days. See, the tree is giving me oxygen. Nice, na? Trees give us oxygen. Everybody knows that. Few people who just born, they don't know that. So again in the kitchen because one biscuit didn't give me, make my stomach fill. So I'm taking another biscuit, fresh one. Oh my god, there's no fresh biscuit. Something should be there in this. No. Do you want me to do my house tower again? Because that house tower will not dies. Means I'll do it after defeating a dragon. I'll see if my. I'll do. So I finally got a piece of cake. It was just hidden. I asked my grandmother and she told, okay, let's make the end portal. So then we can be ready. We don't need to time waste in that. Wait, what happened? I'm just kidding, this is not a cake. This is I can suck this. There's a thing called sucking I made. I forgot that I had to eat. So I made it something. Then we just have to suck. And my nice taste comes. Heard? See again. The end portal some wasted. See again. Very, very nice. Sucking. I made it. I was just making. I found some water. Then I found some milk, and then I put it in the refrigerator, and then it became fully purple. And then I add some sugar on it, and then I put some powder, blue on the powder. They become fully blue and purple. And then I eat it. Oh my god, it's so yummy. If you all want, I can do again the mimicry of Hindustan Gamer. If you all want, okay? Okay, let's start. हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू हिंदुस्तान गेमर। कैसे हो आप सभी? मैं भी अच्छा हूँ। तो चलो हम खेलते हैं, ये ज़ॉम्बीज़ को हम मार देते हैं। I tried my best. Oh my god, it's just like a shape of ice. Guys, you all know I have made a song on Believer. Means I'm saying that song which I sang, that was what the Believer song I sang wrong. So I'll tell you properly. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way the things have been. Oh. Ooh, the way the things have been. Oh, ooh. Which was I was wrong. I'll say from that. So when I was broken from the young age, shook my soaking for the masses. What I'm a bowing for the look at me, silly heartache for me, pain. Could take a message for the veins, become a lesson for the brain, for the beauty through the. Oh. made me a believer. Believer. Pain, you break me down, you build me a believer. Believer. Pain, let the bullets fly in the rain. My love, God, they came from pain. Pain, you made so broken. For the youngest and believer thing was wrong. There's one more thing. So things, no wait. When I was choking in the crowd for the when I was choking in the crowd, when I was the brain in the cloud, for the ashes to the crowd, hope of my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever the lift was never limited. Chili people never rain down. You rain down like bang. This much was wrong. Then everything was correct. So Iron Golem, तू तो गया. So I'm just ending the video. Villagers, please say. He just went. Oh, thank you, Iron Golem. So guys, I have made 15-20 suckers. What was it? Sucking. So I'll take one more sucking. Oh wait. Okay, I found my sucking. It's filled with suckings. Okay, let me go back to my place where I was gaming, in my gaming room. I was doing it in the room first, then I came back in the hall. So I'll end the video here. If you did subscribe to my channel, of course you have to, or else how will I get? So subscribe to my channel and like, of course. So meet you in the end the dragon fight. Okay, bye. See you. Oh, second is so cool, man. Okay, bye guys. Hey, Ender Dragon, I'm coming for you.